The more that people use AI, I think the bigger changes we're going to see in software companies. One of the things that I'm working on today is my wife owns a local balloon business. So she does balloon arches and garlands for corporate events and private events. And I'm setting up all of her tracking for ads. So we're starting to run Google ads, and I'm going through and I'm setting all of this stuff up. And one of the tools that we use is called Honeybook, and Honeybook just doesn't have an API at all. Like anything that you want to do, you have to do through Zapier, and it's really limited. And one of the issues is I can't get the context I need for AI agents to be able to do some of this work. So I'm trying to work with Codex to make a bunch of changes to the site, blah, 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 SEO, all of this kind of stuff. The point I really want to make, though, is everything's trapped in Honeybook. And what I had to do was set up Codex to use the computer, so computer use in their browser function that's built into Codex, which is super nice. And it'll go in. I logged in with our credentials, and it's literally manually clicking through Honeybook, copying and pasting information that I can't pull from Honeybook into a spreadsheet. So that becomes agent usable information. So then I can start doing things based on all of the inquiries we've gotten over the past couple of years. That is such a hassle. It way overuses tokens, which is a big part of the problem. It's also very slow. That's another thing that's frustrating about it. It's taking forever because it has to manually go through all this stuff. It takes a screenshot, analyzes that screenshot, all of that. And what I think is going to end up happening, and it's pretty obvious, I'm not saying anything that other people don't already realize, it's right on the horizon here, is that companies that allow agents to more easily use its information are going to be the ones that win long term, because more and more of the work that we're going to want to get done is going to be done via agents. I don't want to have to edit a website. I can let the agent do that. But I can't if the tool is basically a walled garden of my data.